How to transfer money using Capitec application. First of all, open up the application and log in into your Capitec banking app using your remote PIN. So once you have logged in, from your home page, tap on Pay Beneficiary to send money to someone else's account. After that, you can tap on any existing beneficiary from your list, or if you want to add a beneficiary, tap on plus icon from the top right corner and set up a new recipient. For that, you will need their bank account details. Now, once you have selected a beneficiary, you have to input the amount that you wish to transfer. Input the amount and confirm the recipient details if it is a new beneficiary. After that, you have to review the transaction details for accuracy, and once you're done, tap on Pay from the bottom of this interface. After that, in order to authorize your transaction, you have to use your remote PIN to complete the transfer. So do that. After that, your money will be transferred. And that's how you can transfer money from Capitec application. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.